Yes, you're encrypted right here. So in the previous video you learned impulsive candles. In this video you're going to learn pullbacks. So as you can see here, we have buyers impulsive candles. You can see the candles are green, so meaning that the market keeps going up and up. So it keeps breaking the high of each of these candles. It went up, broke the high of the previous candle, and the next candle broke the high of the previous candle. So this is what we call impulsive candles. So when all of a sudden you now start seeing another candle that comes like this and start going the opposite direction, now that is a pullback. So you also notice that the color of the candle will change because it's closing below the price it started. So that is a pullback. The same way it happens for the uptrend, that is the buyers candles, that's how it happens for the sellers candles. So let's say you have sellers in control, the market keeps going down, and when it pulls back a little, it goes a little bit lower, breaking the low of the previous candle, and just keeps breaking the low of the previous candle. Now it shows that sellers are in control. So when all of a sudden you now see another candle comes like this, so but this time it's going to be green, so change its color. So when all of a sudden you now see a pullback like this, a candle moving in the opposite direction, that is what we call pullbacks. So that is a pullback. So the probably signaling that the market is slowing down or the trend is about to change. So we'll talk about that later. So but basically this is what we call pullback or pullbacks. So I hope you understand that. That's very short and easy to understand. So feel free to drop your questions in the comment below. The next video we'll learn valid pullbacks. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye for now.